Good day, teachers. I'm Mark Mendoza. You can call me Sir M. Let's mark up your EdTech skills today. For this video, I'll be teaching you how to curate and create interactive video lessons in Edpuzzle. And what is Edpuzzle? Edpuzzle is an easy-to-use platform or application that allows its users to create interactive video lessons from existing or available videos in Khan Academy, YouTube, National Geographic, TED Talks, and more. Further, teachers can also curate and use ready-made videos uploaded by other teachers in Edpuzzle. Or you can actually upload and edit in Edpuzzle using your own instructional video lesson. Now, let me guide you on how to use Edpuzzle. First, go to edpuzzle.com and sign up for an account. Choose I'm a teacher, sign up with Google or any email, type your password, accept the terms of service and privacy policy of Edpuzzle, type your school affiliation, choose the subject that you're teaching. Now, you already have an account in Edpuzzle. Now that you already have an account, let's start curating and creating your interactive video lessons. In the Search tab, type the lesson or topic that you want to create an interactive video lesson. Choose the video that you want to use from the available videos. Then click Edit. Now, let me show you how to maximize the video editing tools of Edpuzzle. The video editing tools of Edpuzzle include cutting or trimming the unnecessary parts in the video, adding voiceovers, embedding multiple choice and open-ended questions and notes. At certain timestamps, the students will be prompted with questions, either multiple choice or open-ended, that they need to answer. Adding notes will help in emphasizing important concepts in the video. But how are you going to assign the video that you edited and created in Edpuzzle? Let me show you how. After using the video editing tools and saving the video, you can assign this to any of your class in Google Classroom. You may also add deadlines and post it directly in Google Classroom. You can also prevent the students in skipping the video. Further, Edpuzzle allows you to share your content with your colleagues. Other than Google Classroom, Edpuzzle also allows other LMS integration. You can also integrate Edpuzzle in other learning management systems such as Canvas, Moodle, Schoology, Blackboard, PowerSchool, and Blackboard. And most importantly, analytics are also provided in Edpuzzle. Let me show you how it works. The gradebook in Edpuzzle provides analytics to its users. You can view the total score and the time spent by the students in the videos you assigned them to work on. You can also export and download this gradebook. That's it. Now, it's time for you to create and curate interactive video lessons in Edpuzzle. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you learned something today. Please click the like button and subscribe. See you on my next video.